Hey you guys, welcome to the video. My name's CalmCoolSavage and you're watching CCS TV. In this video right here, I'm going to show you multiple ways on how to get Twitch channel points as a viewer watching a stream. So if you didn't know how to get channel points on Twitch, this is how you do it, so that you can stack up your channel points and redeem that hydrate button and drown your streamer in water. Now before we get into the video, hit up that like button, hit up the sub button, and leave a comment down below. It helps out the channel. Thanks again, you guys. Okay, so you want to get some channel points, right? Maybe there's a big prize that you want to redeem, or there's something that you're saving for. Well, this is the earn rates for the Twitch channel points. So what you're going to want to do to start earning channel points is head over to your favorite streamer's stream. Maybe he's over at twitch.tv/CalmCoolSavage. If so, right down below, click on the chat button. First thing you're going to want to make sure to do is follow the streamer right down here on the bottom right. Once you do that, you'll get 300 channel points right here. Now you're on your journey to start earning channel points. As you watch the stream, non-subscriber viewers will receive 10 points for every 5 minutes of watch time. And Twitch knows when you're actively watching. Every 15 minutes as a viewer, you'll get 50 points, but this one you have to click to redeem. So lurkers, know that you're missing out on a lot of points. You can also earn up to 250 channel points by participating in a raid. So when your favorite streamer is about to end a stream, maybe recommend another small streamer to raid. This could be a really good way to earn some quick channel points. So if you want to get 300 channel points, 400 channel points, and so on, you're going to have to start a watch streak. A watch streak starts for when viewers receive points for returning for 2 consecutive streams. Each stream must be at least 10 minutes long, and it must have been for at least 30 minutes since the last stream ended. Doing this successfully, you will get 300 channel points, and so on for the next day. You'll get 350, 400, 450, and so on. Viewers can get 350 channel points for their first time cheering on the channel. And if it's your very first time gifting a sub on the channel, you can get 500 channel points. Now that's a lot of channel points. And as for my final tip, the very last secret that Twitch doesn't want you to know, the ultimate ace up the sleeve on how to multiply your channel bits to the maximum amount, well, the simple answer is Twitch subscriptions. Having a subscription to your favorite streamer will earn you extra channel points. As a tier 1 sub, you'll earn 1.2 times the multiplier for watching. As a tier 2 sub, you earn a 1.4 multiplier for watching. And as a tier 3 sub, you earn a 2 times multiplier for watching. So if you really love the digital society of Twitch and you want to support your streamer and stack up a bunch of channel points, subscribe to your favorite streamer now. And there you have it, you guys. That's how to get channel points on Twitch. I make a lot of tutorial videos for streamers and viewers who like to watch Twitch, so if you're interested in the channel points playlist, check it out above. If you guys have any questions about channel points or you want me to make a tutorial video, let me know in the comments below. And if you guys are interested, I stream over at twitch.tv/CalmCoolSavage. Come on over and check out the stream, drop a follow, and hang out in the chat. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you guys liked the video, hit up the like button, hit up the subscribe button. It really helps out the channel. Thanks again, you guys. Keep it calm, keep it cool, keep it savage.